students, in today's class we have to discuss the remaining operator, which is a special type of operator. Till last class we discussed arithmetic operators, which include unary, binary, ternary, relational operators, logical operator like and or not, various bitwise operator. In today's class we have to discuss remaining operator. I think in the last session, whatever the operator I delivered, I I delivered, you better understand. And the remaining operator we discuss today are different types of special operator, which include size of operator, modulus operator, assignment operator, and the comma operator. First comes to size of operator. Size of operator is otherwise known as function operator, which is used to measure the space consumed by data type in memory. Because as we know, every data type occupies some space in memory, like integer takes 2 bytes of memory, character takes 1 byte of memory, float takes 4 byte of memory, double takes 8 byte of memory. But we want to prove either these data types takes these byte of memory or anything else. We have to prove it out. In the form of two examples, we verified the size of, and the syntax of size of is size of followed by we can specify either data type or name of the variable. Move to the first example. I have written size of int, integer takes 2 byte, and hence the result will be 2. I have written size of car takes 1 byte, the result will be 1. Size of float, it is 4. Size of double, it will be 8. Anybody might ask why I have written for every kind is a percentile d, because either integer or character or float or double, every data type size is measured in the form of integer value, and for integer the formatted string to be used is percentile d, and hence for integer is 2, for character is 1, for float is 4, for double the space consumption is 8. If we want to check it out, again what we have to do? Move to the online compiler and do the remaining things. If I want to write, then I can write percentile d slash n. I can write in one printf. I can also write percentile d, percentile d, percentile d. I can write size of int, then size of car, then size of float, size of double. After this, if I want to run this, then the result will be carried. You might be seeing why integer is 4 bytes. According to the editor and the operating system's formatting characteristics, one integer in a online compiler takes the 4 bytes, one character 1 byte, one float 4 byte, one double is 8 byte. I can again verify it by the help of your turbo compiler. If I move to the turbo compiler, what is the way? In both way I am showing you. For a turbo compiler, I move to turbo editor. Just wait, so that you can clarify. Otherwise you will think I told 2 bytes, how it takes 4 bytes as integer. Let's move to the turbo editor, make a new file, write void main printf percentile d, percentile d, percentile d, percentile d, comma, size of int, size of car, size of float, size of double. size of double. Then if I run this program now, so what is the process? I will make it semicolon end curly bracket, save it, save as by suppose any file name .c, then compile it and now run it. Now it display 2148 means integer 2 byte, character 1 byte, float 4 byte, double 8 byte. But in advanced editor, in some extent the size of the data type changes. Anyway, we have verified. Now again we move to where we are. First example is verified. Then we can also verify in another way. Suppose I declare int x char y float z double k. Instead of taking int char float double, I can directly take size of x, which means integer, size of y, which means character, size of z, which means float, size of k, which means double. The remaining output is the same. Writing x is similar to x, writing y is similar to char, writing z is similar to float, writing k is similar to what? Double. Because data type is related to the specific variable, specifying data type, specifying variable having equal meaning. Hence, for integer 2 byte, for character 1 byte, for float 4 byte, for double 8 byte. If we run this program, similarly we do the same thing, moves to the online compiler. I am showing 1 or 2 data type. Similarly, we can run it out. I can write int x character y float z. Then if I write here percentile d, then size of x, size of y, size of z. The meaning is same. See, 4 because as in the advanced editor, according to the bit formatting of operating system and the software, integer takes 4 bytes, but in turbo that is 2 byte, character 1 byte, float 4 byte. We have written size of x means integer x, size of y means character y, size of z means float z. In either the way we verified. Move to the next slide. Modulus operator. Modulus operator is also one type of special type operator which acts a remainder operator, because in a division the remainder will return. Its syntax is value 1 modulus value 2, 2 modulus 3 means 2 cannot be divisible by 3, point division will not made, remaining will be the value. If I write a 3 modulus 2, that will be 1, because 3 by 2 means 2, 1, 2 means 1 will be the quotient and 1 will be the remainder. But 2 modulus 3, nothing can be divided and hence no division can take place, and the remainder will be a remain 2. Suppose even if I write 100 modulus 200, the result will be 100 because point division will never take place. If I calculate it, suppose you have written 10 and 3, 10 modulus 3 means 10 will be divided by 3, 3 3 is 9, the remainder is what? 1, and hence the result will be 1. If I write 3 modulus 10, the result will be itself 3. How we have to check it out? Move to your compiler. Then suppose I have written int x equal to 100 and I want to run it out, then the result will be like this. Means what I can write? X modulus suppose 99, the result will be 1. If I write 99 modulus 100, the result will be what? The 99, because division cannot take place. so that remainder operator works. Now we move to assignment operator. As we know, assignment operator is used to assign the rightmost value to the leftmost variable. Basically, we have written in many often, when you are writing x equal to 10, the rightmost value is 10, which is stored in the leftmost variable, that is x. Single equal to is the assignment operator, whereas the double equal to is the comparison operator. Double equal to through which we can compare the value is a relational operator, whereas the single equal to means the rightmost value to be stored in the leftmost variable for any kind, for integer, for character, for float, etc. And hence single equal to is the assignment operator. Then comes to comma operator. Comma acts as a separator operator. Its syntax is data type variable 1, variable 2. If there is no comma operator, what will happen? Suppose here we write integer x comma y comma z. If there is no comma operator, we write 3 times integer x, integer y, integer z. Suppose we write here character x comma y. If there is no comma operator, we have to write character x, character y. If you are writing here float p comma q comma r, if there is no comma operator, we write float p, float q, float r. Hence, comma is known as your separator. And by the help of comma, we can avoid a lot of coding. Instead of writing individual, we can distinguish by the comma. Comma is a special type of operator. Hence, in today's class, we discuss 4 special type of operator: size of operator, modulus operator, assignment operator, comma operator. I think you understand this session, and previously we discussed all 4 kind of operator. Now operator comes to end. There are some assignment for you. Previously also I have given some assignment. Try to solve it out and try to this assignment. In one of the class, I will make the solution of all those things. First you try. If you fails to do this, I will make the solution of all those problems, previous class problems and today's problem. I have given some problems. Evaluate 1 right shift 4, evaluate 10 left shift 5, evaluate 10 bitwise 5, evaluate 10 bitwise and 5, evaluate 10 exclusive 8, exclusive or 8, evaluate 0 modulus 5 and evaluate 10 left shift 1 plus 10 right shift 2. I think today's session is essential and understandable to you. If you like this video, please like it. Those who are not subscribed, kindly subscribe it. Having any comment, please comment it. I think this session will be essential to you. In the next classes, we have to discuss the previous questions that is given to you. I will provide the answer by executing, understanding and running all the programs. And in the next sessions, after the solution of the question, we have to start one of the important chapter, that is control structure, or somebody or some way it termed as decision making statement. But in overall, that chapter will be starting as a control structure or control statement. Thank you. See you in the next class.